Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. Now for today's video, I'm going to be doing the update for the rice water. Just get straight to it. Did it actually work? So 4 weeks ago, I actually put out a rice water challenge for you guys to join me. And thank you so much for those of you who responded, who joined me on this journey. I just want to tell you about the process of doing it. It was a little bit annoying for me because I'm kind of girl that needs it done now, here, then. I had to process the rice water and let it ferment overnight and all of that jazz. Some days I forgot, it went over a week and I had to do it on the 8th day instead of the 7th day. The struggle's real, but nevertheless I did it, and what I can say is my hair is a lot more stronger. I don't know if you can see, but my hair looks thicker. It's got so much body to it. That for sure, it's definitely worked. So yes, it gave me a lot of body. Has it kept the shine for my hair? My hair's pretty shiny anyway, and with all of the products that I do actually put in my hair, I didn't notice any difference that the rice water was contributing to shine. And to be honest, come on, let's be real, I just wanted to see if it was going to help my hair grow. So without further ado and making this video too long, let's just get straight into it and see how many inches I actually achieved. So I've got the towel around me because I'm actually going to rinse down those parts of my hair or spray down with my tea rinse. I'll link a card at the top of how this is made. I've actually got the Rinse Me in at the moment. It's an Evada tea rinse. It looks a bit light in colour because I got to the little bit and then I decided to put some more water in because I was just too lazy to make some more. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same section that I took last time and then we will see, shall we? So here you go. I'm just going to wet down those areas. So you usually have about ½ an inch growth. So if I remember rightly, the side back area, this was 13 inches, and from the fringe, taken from about there, down was 12 inches, or a little bit over 12 inches. So let's see if it really worked, okay? A month's worth, okay? Okay, so we're going right from where it did it in the video. We're gonna go down. Down, 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 down. And, oh, running out of space on this. It's awkward. Okay, so. Oh my goodness, if I'm not mistaken, okay, can you see that? That finish is just there. What does that say? I can't even see myself, I'm so excited. Oh, 1 inch. Oh, wow. That is an inch, isn't it? Oh, sorry, that was upside down. So that is definitely 1 inch growth. That is good. Okay, guys, so we got to see this, okay? Drum roll, please. We're gonna do it. Let's go. Put it on the inches side. And here we go. Is it past 13 already? Still going, still going, we're still going, still going. Oh, we're still going. Stop about there. And that is, that's great. That's 14. Can you see that? Camera, just focus for me, please. Okay, so here we go. I've got it in focus now. I believe that is 14. 13 is where it was before, but it's now at 14. Wow, so I actually grew double my amount in 30 days. Yes, booyakasha. So the results are in. It is definitely a fact that it will help your hair to grow. This is definitely another game changer for me. I've got to say, this is a game changer. If it means I can double it, so I can basically grow 12 inches in 1 year. 12 inches. So 12 inches, I could grow this much in 1 year. So my overall verdict on this, will I be doing this again? I'm not sure if I'll do it every week. I'm definitely dedicated to my deep conditions every single week. I do not fail to do that. But adding in that smelly, stinky water, rice water, I'm not sure. I will probably try and put it in maybe every other week if I can be bothered, if I really want to. But I really should put it into my regime because my hair is a lot thicker. It's a lot healthier, I must admit. It's stronger and it's doubling my growth per month. Anyway guys, I'd like to hear a lot more about you, but thank you so much for those of you who did contact me back and shared your experience. And to be honest, I've been so inspired with the growth that you've achieved as well. So guys, yeah, let me know what you think. Should I continue it? Maybe we should do a 12-month challenge. I don't know. Let me know your results. How much growth have you got in 30 days? Did you actually do the challenge? Did you not? Did you miss a few weeks? Did you do it every day? Oh, actually, I wonder if that's a challenge. Maybe not every day, maybe twice a week. Whoa. Okay, so for you out there who are impressed with the results, if you think we should step it up another notch and do 2 rice water washes a week for the next 30 days, I'm up for it. So if I get enough of you saying yes, you're in, then we are on. The thing is on, the challenge is on. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful or if it inspired you to do a rice water challenge as well. Don't forget to share it with somebody who you feel could benefit from this video. And I want to say hi to all my new subscribers. You guys have helped me get to 1,000. That's right, I recently reached 1,000 subscribers, and so I have a giveaway. So I've left details in the description bar below for you to see how you can enter this giveaway. I am really pleased with the results. And I want to say a big massive thank you to my online friends. Thank you so much for your support. My returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you. Also guys, I want to let you know about my skincare routines. At the age of 46, I have so many people asking me what I am doing to keep my skin looking youthful. So I've got some videos coming up that will show you my secrets for skincare. Anyway guys, I'm going now. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye. Yes, rice water. Loving it.